Welcome to Zen Hollow, where modern architecture meets timeless Japanese artistry. Nestled within the peaceful hills of Nashville, Tennessee, this extraordinary residence redefines the concept of sanctuary, a home designed for harmony, balance, and beauty. Situated on over 5 secluded acres in Natchez Estates, Zen Hollow is a celebration of craftsmanship and refined peace. Every element, from the hand-curated landscaping to the architectural precision, reflects a deep respect for form, function, and the natural world. As you step inside, a sense of tranquility immediately takes over, a seamless blend of art, architecture, and nature. Crafted with hand-built oak staircases and traditional Japanese joinery, the home's design evokes an atmosphere of quiet sophistication. At the heart of the home, the great room serves as both a gathering space and a professional-grade recording studio. Acoustically engineered with thermofiber insulation, multi-layer quiet rock, and Steinway Lingdorf sound components, this space resonates with precision and creativity. The Gourmet Kitchen is a masterpiece of modern design, where function meets artistry. Bull-top cabinetry imported from Germany, Caesar stone countertops, and professional-grade appliances define this space, illuminated by natural light and thoughtful detail. A custom-crafted wine cellar designed to hold over 6,500 bottles showcases redwood racking and limestone finishes, each detail engineered with elegance and endurance in mind. Everywhere you look, the craftsmanship tells a story of patience, precision, and purpose. Fully automated through Savant and Lutron systems, the home harmonizes technology and tranquility with geothermal climate control, multi-zone comfort, and seamless integration at your command. Beyond its walls, Zen Hollow becomes a living landscape, a modern garden retreat. Custom Brazilian Ipe decks, a stainless steel fire pit, and a pristine saline pool complement the hand-shaped bonsai gardens, all designed to evoke peace in every season. From its Japanese Pavilion architecture to its serene sculpted grounds, Zen Hollow is a masterpiece of beauty, balance, and innovation. Zen Hollow, a home in which design and nature exist in perfect harmony.